Hi, welcome to another video from the Malton Motor Company. This is a sales video and we're really proud to present this absolutely magnificent Jaguar XKR convertible. It's a 1999 and it's done 33,000 miles from new, and it's finished in absolutely unmarked, gleaming, perfect meteorite silver with ivory full leather trim. As you can see, it's got the standard XKR 5.5 alloy wheels. The car is totally original. It is like out of the box. We've had some fantastic XK8 convertibles over the years. We really have, but this particular car, it's just astonishing, to be honest. Yeah, the condition of the car is absolutely astonishing. All the paintwork is totally original. We've been around this with a fine-tooth comb, and it's just unbelievable. Obviously matching original equipment, Pirelli P6000s all round. As you can see, all the light lenses at the back are all intact, no cracks or chips out of them. They're not faded. The back bumper's lovely. Boot lid's perfect. Nice little boot spoiler. Obviously stainless steel exhaust from front to back. But yeah, it's just unbelievable. All the edges of the doors are absolutely perfect. All the door mirrors. The roof is absolutely perfect. Got the original contrasting stitching, you know, just round the edges. As you can see, the bonnet is absolutely perfect. No dents or scrapes or scuffs. It's not long since had a service, and as you can see, all the edges of the wheel arches absolutely perfect, even when you go right round there where these are normally all rusty. All the sills are perfect, all inside there's all original and perfect. The same at the back, absolutely perfect. No blisters underneath that rear quarter where it meets the bumper. Just absolutely out of the box. I think if you want one of these cars, you will not find a better example than this. And the car drives absolutely perfect, has a lovely turn of speed, and it also sounds gorgeous with the stainless steel exhaust, which resonates just nicely. Obviously the V8 supercharged engine, they sound fantastic anyway, don't they? Even when they're just burbling around. It's got the mesh, stainless steel mesh grille at the front, lower grille. This car currently has a private plate, which we are selling separately. The private plate is 123XJ. You'll probably see that on our website or our social media pages for sale. That plate is advertised at 3,995. It won't be going with the car, so you know, please don't ask me, because it won't be going with the car. Obviously this is an XK8 anyway, not an XJ, but it is a Jaguar related plate, so if anybody is interested in that plate, then please give us a shout. This will be going back onto an age related plate. Like I say, it's a 1999 car. But yeah, highly collectible in this condition, highly desirable in this colour combination. And let's have a look inside. It's got a proper ivory tonneau cover, which matches the interior to go on there. Obviously a glass heated rear screen, and the electric roof. As you can see, one thing I did notice about this car is these seats have never been reconalised. They've never been reconalised, and they've never been, you know, recoloured at all. You can see the stitching is all contrasting. The driver's bolster's gorgeous, and they have this such a beautiful, soft, lovely leather. Now, I think a lot of these Jaguar XKR interiors get reconalised, so they just feel a little bit sort of more, bit tougher. There's the leather, especially with a bit of age on it. But this, like I say, is so supple and soft. I mean, I was at Jaguar when this model came out in '96, but it's a long time ago now. I can't remember what they felt like when they were new, but not now anyway. You just get to remember what they're like now after 20 odd years old. But this leather in this car is just like factory fresh. The whole car's like factory fresh, as you can see in the back there as well. Absolutely beautiful. This car really needs to be seen to be appreciated, to be honest, because the videos and the photographs that we've taken, although will help, it just won't do it justice. It really won't do it justice. I'm going to go really, really steady as best I can so you can see all the bits and pieces. And all the details. As you can see there's all the keys, all the key fobs. I'll just press the boot release, and that pops it up there. As you can see there, absolutely mint inside the boot. It's got a CD stacker all around the door, you know, the boot edges and apertures. Lovely. Spare wheel, lovely. Space saver. So that's in there. Have a walk around to this side. All these trims around the door, edges, window, scraper mouldings, they're all perfect. Normally they've all got blisters on the XK8s and they have to be redone again, but this one's absolutely perfect again. Lovely original overmats, carpets, wood veneers, just obviously they're all, you know, unique in these cars, and you know, this particular one is just a lovely lovely grain. Pop the bonnet while we're in here. But yeah, just absolutely magnificent. I've been up the road in the car drives absolutely perfect. As you can see under there, just like as new. Yeah. This car, you've really, like I say, you've really got to see it in the flesh. It isn't comparable to many other cars that are in the marketplace. This is a 33,000 mile Jaguar XKR that has been loved, cherished, wrapped in cotton wool. And to be honest, we've never seen one as incredible as this, to be honest. We really haven't. It's just like having a brand new car. This car is for sale, and the asking price is £21,995, which, to be honest, when you think about the style of the car, the specification, the sumptuous leather and the fantastic real walnut veneers, and the performance of this car, it's a high performance car, and obviously it's a convertible as well, and the cars were in excess of 50,000, 55,000 when they were new, and it's just unbelievable value for money, because you'll not lose a penny on the car. You keep this in this condition and look after it and service it properly and do anything it needs, you know, straight away, rather than all the big list of things building up. Although on the whole these are very reliable cars, parts aren't expensive for them either, and they're not too bad on fuel, to be honest. Right, let's start her up. Yeah, this car will only increase in value, and nice little investment. Recession proof. These cars will always make good money when they're in this condition and with that low mileage, but of course it's better than just looking at your money in the bank on a bank statement. You've got something to show for it, haven't you? And it will increase over time. As you can hear, just absolutely beautiful. So all inquiries are welcome. The usual telephone number is 07759 938 395. You can get through to us here at the Moulton Motor Company, and we'll do our best to answer any questions that you might have. The car's got full service history. It's got all its receipts, service book, handbooks, radio code, everything that comes with the car it's got. Now we will put a lot of pictures online on our Facebook business page, which is the Moulton Motor Company. We'll put 25 pictures, which unfortunately we're only able to put 25 pictures on our website. We'll try and choose the best ones. We will take some photographs with the hood down and the tonneau cover on, but this car now is going to reside in our showroom, and it'll be there waiting for its new owner. So please do get in touch. You can, if you don't want to phone us, you can email us, and it's sales@themoultonmotorcompany.com. But you will not be disappointed. I 100% guarantee. If you're looking for one of these cars, this is the one. Thanks for watching.